Have you ever wondered how AI is affecting the whole e-commerce and the retail industry? In this video, we are going to talk about how much it will cost to implement AI in the e-commerce industry. Let's get started.
This is probably one of the first and most affected industry by artificial intelligence in a lot of ways. We are talking about the retail and e-commerce industry. The industry is surprisingly valued to $96.7 billion by 2030, and that's a tremendous growth. And today in this video, we are going to discuss about the pricing for each of the module, how much it will cost to develop it. The first one in the list for the customer is recommendation engine. Here, the tool uses AI to suggest products based on the customer preferences and behaviors. The system analyzes past purchases, browsing history and other data, as well as other similar users, and suggests products accordingly. It would definitely increase sales and customer satisfaction by offering relevant products, suggestions, and enhancing their experience. The basic version of this would start from around $16,000 to around $25,000. The second thing in the list for customers is chatbots and virtual assistants. Here, AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants practically helps user to make the purchase easier, and they are available 24/7. So this basically improves customer service and reduces operational cost. A basic version of this would start from around $8,000 to around $12,000. The third one in the list for the customer is visual search. Search tools uses AI to allow customers to search products using images instead of text. So you can open a camera and search for a product, or upload an image and search for the product in the image. This enhances customer experience to a lot extents when they do not know what the product is called. The cost of development for this sort of feature would start from around $15,000 to $20,000. The fourth one is an interesting one. There are smart mirrors and virtual fitting rooms. Tools like smart mirrors and virtual fitting rooms uses AI to provide personalized fitting experiences. And this is a tremendous experience. This basically improves the shopping experience for customers, reduces a lot of return rates, and increases customer satisfaction with their purchase. The basic cost for this would start from around $45,000. The fifth one in the list is generative AI for custom design. Here, AI basically creates personalized product design based on customers' inputs, offering unique and tailored items. The feature is particularly popular in fashion and home decor. It would start from around $32,000, and this would basically attract customers seeking for unique items, boost sales by offering personalized products, and differentiates the brand from competitors. Moving to the next user type, cost for artificial intelligence for retail managers and marketers. The first one for them is customer segmentation and targeting tool. Here, customers and users are segmented into multiple groups based on their behaviors and preferences. This allows the marketers to plan their marketing ads accordingly. This basically enhances marketing efficiency, improves ROI, and enables more personalized and effective marketing strategy. A basic version of this would start from around $20,000. The second one in the list is AI-driven campaign management. AI here optimizes marketing campaigns and makes life a lot easier for campaign managers. It determines the channel, time to reach, and many other factors. It basically improves the campaign performance, increases conversions, and provides data-driven insights for future campaigns. A basic version of this would start from around $15,000. The third one in the list for them is content optimization engine. AI tool enhances content by analyzing and improving SEO, readability, and engagement metrics. This would basically increase website traffic, improves user engagement, and boost search engine ranking. The basic version of this would start from around $10,000. The fourth one in the list is conversion rate optimization tools. Here, AI analyzes user behavior on website to identify areas of improvement and suggest changes to enhance the user experience and increase conversion rate. Now this would start from around $25,000. This increases sales, improves user experience, and maximizes the effectiveness of marketing efforts. Moving to the next user type, cost for AI features for operations and supply chain managers. The first one for them is inventory management. AI-powered inventory management system predicts inventory needs and optimizes stock levels, and this is calculated based on n number of factors. This would reduce overstock and stockouts at the same time. A basic version of this would start from around $18,000. The second one for them is transportation and route optimization. Here, AI basically helps the driver, the delivery team, to define which would be the best route to send a product to the customer. It reduces fuel cost and shortens the delivery times. And the basic version of this feature would start from around $12,000. The third and the last one for them is supplier performance analysis. AI evaluates supplier performance based on the criteria such as delivery times, quality, and cost. It would basically improve supplier relationships, enhances supply chain efficiency, and reduces cost associated with poor supplier performance. A basic version of this would start from around $15,000.
Now you understand how e-commerce companies are implementing AI and how cheap it is. Planning to develop one? Planning to implement AI in your e-commerce, or planning to develop e-commerce as such? Get in touch with us at sales@ibiixo.com, and you can visit our website www.ibiixo.com. To get more details about the pricing, have a look at our blog in the description with way more information. Stay tuned. Signing off from Ibiixo, Deep Karia.